Ahoy, cruise enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we take you on the most incredible adventures around the world on the high seas. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting journeys. Today we're thrilled to bring you on board the magnificent Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas, the largest cruise ship in the world. Launched in September 2020, this floating city stretches an astonishing 362.04 meters or 1,187 feet in length. With 18 expansive decks, the Wonder of the Seas has the capacity to hold nearly 7,000 passengers, offering them the ultimate luxury cruise experience. Stay tuned as we take you on an exclusive tour of this awe-inspiring vessel, showcasing its incredible amenities and unforgettable experiences. Are you ready to set sail with us? Let's dive in and explore the wonders of the Wonder of the Sea. Our adventure begins with a scenic road trip from the beautiful Clearwater Beach to Port Canaveral. Buckle up, folks. It's going to be an exciting 2.5-hour drive. We arrived at the terminal around 10 a.m., ready to board the Wonder of the Seas. Even though we were a few hours early, the check-in and boarding process was a breeze. Royal Caribbean really knows how to get you on board quickly and efficiently. As we board the ship, here are some important tips to keep in mind. While it's possible to carry all your luggage on board, it's not recommended. Your stateroom may not be ready for the first few hours, so you'll be lugging your bags around. Also, remember that you can't take alcohol on board. If you buy any during your ports of call, the crew will hold on to it until the end of the cruise. However, you may take up to 2 bottles of wine on board with you. Also, note the ship restaurants will charge you a $20 cork fee to enjoy your bottle at dinner. As you prepare for your cruise aboard the Wonder of the Seas, please be aware that there are certain items that are not allowed on the ship for safety reasons. Items like irons, steamers, and other potential fire hazard devices are strictly prohibited due to the risk they pose in confined spaces. Royal Caribbean and other cruise lines prioritize the safety and security of their passengers, and these restrictions help ensure a smooth sailing experience for everyone on board. Be sure to check the cruise line's guidelines for prohibited items before you pack, so you can avoid any disappointment or complications during your embarkation process. Now that we're on board, let's check out our stateroom and see where we'll be staying during this unforgettable voyage. This cozy and comfortable stateroom is the perfect place to rest and recharge after a day full of adventure. Stay tuned as we explore the incredible features and amenities that the Wonder of the Seas has to offer.
Okay, now on the last ship we were on, the bed wasn't quite so soft. It was a nice firm bed. If you like firm, great. This one, okay, this is way softer.
How's the pillows? I have to know how the pillows are. I always want to know how the pillows are.
I think we can do it.
Okay, for 7 nights it's going to work? I think so too.
Work.
All right, let's have a good cruise.
All right.
Let's go cruising.
So, a little backstory. We originally booked an ocean-facing cabin, but on our first night, our room flooded due to a plumbing issue. However, the crew quickly moved us to a new stateroom with a balcony overlooking the beautiful Central Park area. While it's not exactly the ocean view we initially planned for, the room is still very nice and offers a unique perspective of the ship's incredible Central Park.
Okay, this is our room that we were moved to in So let's see what our room looks like in the biggest ship in the world. King size bed, which is nice. Now this bed, we were in the Beyond 2 weeks ago and the bed was really firm. And in this room, the bed is nice and soft. Putting in closet space, which is really nice. Everything that Lisa has fits in this one and everything I have fit in that one. And we have a nice dresser. which is good, and a nice little workstation here too, so we get a little work done. And then it also has, the drawers. Yeah, so down here it has our own little mini fridge. I actually never opened that up. There's absolutely nothing in it. So it's not a mini bar, but it's a refrigerator to keep your drinks cold, or wherever you bring back from the restaurant. Some people do that. It's interesting. We got our own bottle of wine at dinner. This is very nice. And then this is kind of a little workstation, so we get some work done, and then it's got a nice little sofa here as well. So it's very comfy. So this is our new balcony. Now, the room we were in before that got flooded was just a portal, and they moved us because our room was flooded. We had like a quarter inch of water on the floor. It's kind of funny on our first night here. But this is the room that they sent us to, which is an interior balcony instead of an outerior balcony. We didn't think we'd like it, so we're really enjoying it and here's why. Because at nighttime, when you're on the ocean side or your balcony is over the ocean, at nighttime it's just a big black hole and you see nothing. And here we come back to our room and we get to enjoy the music and everything that's going on down in Central Park, which is down below. Okay, so now on cruise trips, usually the bathrooms are like teeny tiny little things. This one is actually not bad. It's got the shower, they curved the glass out so you have lots of room inside the shower, which is quite nice. And it's not a ginormous bathroom, but it's sufficient and very nice, especially for a ship where bathrooms are normally really small. This one's not.
The staterooms on the Wonder of the Seas are designed with your comfort in mind. They are incredibly spacious, featuring a luxurious king-size bed, a cozy sofa, and ample storage space for all your clothes and belongings. Whether you're staying in an ocean-facing cabin or one overlooking the ship's stunning interior, you're bound to have an unforgettable stay here on the Wonder of the Seas. Up next, we'll explore the ship's incredible amenities and activities, so stay tuned.
So a couple of tips for your Wonder of the Seas bathroom and what you need. So in here, Royal Caribbean only offers you a salt breeze, just the one thing. So this is a double duty hair and body wash. So we brought with us our own shampoo and our own moisturizers because we wanted to make sure that we weren't just using what they had. So just a tip if you want to do that. The other thing is these cruise ships do not have is any type of mirror. So I always bring like a little portable mirror so that I can see when I'm putting on makeup. I think that's important. And the other thing we like to travel with are these bags. What we like about the bags is that we have a his and hers, and they hang right on whatever you have available, but in this case the towel rack, so that we can reach everything that we need. So those are my tips. Those are the tips for if you're staying on Wonder of the Seas, what you need in your bathroom. So you may wonder why I'm down here on the floor, and it's so I can show you another one of our tips. On any cruise ship that we've been on, the beds are always platform beds, and they offer a lot of storage underneath it to put your suitcases, because there's otherwise not a lot of storage in the cabinets. So one of the things that we always do is we take our suitcases and we open them up and we slide them under the bed, and this becomes our laundry basket. So all of our dirty clothes, after we're done with it, we don't want to wear it anymore, it goes in here, and we're ready to go home. We just zip it up and we're ready to go. So that's one of the trips of staying on a cruise ship.